What's up, guys, and welcome back to Wake Up Entertainment. So today I've come, with some stories that I've been seeing, and I want to break down all three of them and see exactly what is happening. The first one is that Makumalo is planning to leave the Mzumbe area because she is not happy about it, especially with the way that she is being treated by Musa Mseleko. And also on top of that, there's also another story that is circulating, especially on platforms like TikTok, where they are saying that all the wives literally are going to be leaving the Mzumbe area because there is a possible lithium mine in the area. So when the lithium is being mined, I'm sure there's going to be a lot of dust that is going to be circulating in the air, so they have to leave that. And also another one, we saw Mseleku buying houses for his wives at the end of season 8. So come season 9, we're going to be seeing Mseleku's wives in different houses. But one thing that is clear is that his wives were clearly not happy with him. Musa Mseleko, Makumalo, Mangwabe, and Mayeni. It was getting, really, really tough for Mseleko to try and communicate with these three wives. And I remember one diary session where Mseleko was actually saying that I knew Makumalo when she was very young. This is not the woman that I really loved. She is turned around, and she is going down the road of Mayeni. So this are the stories, that are happening in the developing stories. So in conclusion, what can I say here? The bringing in of Samge Kwela, it has brought, a lot of tensions. And to solve that issue, Mseleko has to move all of his wives out of the Mzumbe area because they do not want to interact with Samge Kwela. So the solution is to take them to different houses, all of them, then also give Samge Kwela her own house instead of having all 4 or 5 of them in one area. It is going to be very, very challenging. So at least